Listening to you, Ore, you dealing with people asking you why are you trading small accounts where else you can trade big accounts. Like I don't get it. Wait,
Ah,
nah, I don't understand it honestly.
like, wait, if there's one thing people are just going to do, I know you're coming. I told you, remember I told you that you're
Mm,
coming. Yeah.
mm,
They're going to actually try to prove a point that you are not making money, right? And then they're
mm-hmm.
also going to prove a point that um the mentorship you are having is not good enough.
Oh yeah.
No? And then after that, they're going to come call you a scam because they don't understand what you're trading.
Mm-hmm.
So after those ones, then there's those jealous ones that always want to advise you, but they don't know your goals.
Can I tell you something? So this
Mm.
gent, I am not even following him. He came to my DMs. Is like he's like, Konna, so why are you buying high? I'm like, cause strategy I should buy high. Time I'm in like deep blues. He's like, hi, please be careful, don't buy highs. I'm like, Patong. I mean,
So,
as you know, it goes for the highest highs, right? So you can
yeah.
buy little yeah. Motho are konna, why are you buying high? I'm like, Batung.
Wait, I've seen it happen with me also. Ne? People will ask me, but why are you not trading rejections? And in my mind, I'm like, what is a rejection going to do? Because a rejection is just there for me to pick it up as, there's an impulse, then correction. A correction I do not
Yeah,
trade. It's one of my trades. I don't like trading corrections because when they're done, then I wouldn't want to exit. But hey, hey, hey,
yeah,
guys, we have prices. Imagine, and then when I hear about why do you buy high, do they know that there's something called we are breaking out and shooting for a new high?
ex- Batung. You know the problem is ne when we post a clean chat ne there are no
Yeah.
analysis. So motho o
Mm.
bona o set o baile ko dim and he's like, what is this girl doing? I mean,
Yeah.
don't you think I analyzed before I actually like entered?
But buy
Batung.
high, low. No, guys, you sell high, buy low. But you should understand, guys, right? There's times whereby the market is just going to form new highs.
Yeah.
Yeah. Th- That's why I'm like, people need to understand the market phases. There's that phase
Mm-hmm.
whereby there's a consolidation happening. The range traders, they're actually milking the market. Then those ones who are trading the breakouts and continuations of breakouts, they're just
Mm-hmm.
waiting for the setups to set. Yay! And then there's these ones. Whether it's going up, just one candlestick going up, they want to enter. When the candlestick is going down, they want to sell it. God, I don't understand what's going on. But they come in and want to advise you on how to enter and exit your trades.
But I mean, obviously, when you trade like a strategy, number one. Number
Yeah.
two, you actually analyze everything first before you can. I mean, I trade got $10 accounts, so don't you think I'm gonna double check everything before I actually go for something?
And
Like I don't know. I don't know. People are just ignorant. They're just ignorant, and they think, "Ho tshwana le batho ba ba nahanang hore, "Konje, what's that strategy? There's this strategy, man, sa bona." They think it actually works better than what we use.
Symmetric, what? S.
Exactly.
Yeah, I know
Exactly. Yeah,
they always ask if I trade that. Is it, guys, what is it? The SMC or what?
yeah, that Elaya Wale lady like the analysis the and all that.
I think it's Asif Alcon.
Mm-mm. I
But
don't know
would you
what it's called.
date a forex trader knowing that they are emotionless?
I think you should answer this one.
It's SMC. Yes, they call it SMC.
See, yes, that they think it. Yeah, smart money concept. They think it's
Yeah.
like the best thing. We're thinking if you don't know that, then you can't trade. Nah, I get tlhaloganya. Honestly, I don't understand. For why? We're thinking.
I don't understand that people come request and then when we accept it, they are not really coming in. What the heck, guys? What's wrong?
Why is the hand over my head? It's because I'm tired. Yo, nagalapile, guys. Did you see Vic's 100, Stacey? Yo,
Yeah,
yo, yo. Hey.
my students are actually trading it.
Yo, students. You know what happened? I waited for that movement, ne? The one we talked about. It didn't happen.
It did happen. Look at your 4 hours. Look at your 4 hours.
Because
It did happen.
I saw like this insane drop. Go, I think it was like 30 minutes, ne? You enter the three soldiers, and I was like, it changed direction. It's not gonna come back. It's gone. I'm late. Yo,
I think it gave us 2 chances to enter. Two. It
really?
shot, it came back, it shot again, then it came back, and then it shot. Like if you look at the chart, especially with for smaller time frames, if you go in 15 minutes or 5 minutes, you'll see there was a lot of shooting and coming back in the market. And what I was laughing about with my students is that, this market was speaking to all of us. It was just being very clear that, guys, I'm going to shoot, I'm going to come back, retest, I'm going to shoot again, I'm going to come back and retest. It was just structure. That's why most of the time I stress structure more than your order blocks, more than your
Mhm.
SMs. I stress structure because that's where we are actually bound. If you don't know structure, all
You're
right?
gonna have a problem actually because it
Yeah.
it shot. I think it shot down. Ne, got this very long candle go H1, and I took the trade, and then I was
Yeah.
like, okay, I think this is the movement, and then jiggy jiggy, it went up like strongly, and I was like, yo, and then it kicked me out. Then I was like, the second time it shut down, then it came back, and I was like, I'm out. Let me go to 75 because at that time I was
but
like,
you also trade SMC. No, guys, what you think is it's an SMC to me. It's market structure. That's why sometimes when I'm being asked, I ask, what is SMC, smart money concept? Because I think it's something different from that, literally. Or if it's the very same thing, then I learned it as structure and you people are learning it as smart money concepts.
mhm.
No.
But honestly, I feel like I just prefer pure price action.
Mm.
Yo, and like I don't know, that's the only thing. That's the easiest way, because that smart money concept thing, I feel like it just complicates everything. Yo, it's just like the chat because I would like see their chat on like their stories, and I'm like yo.
Okay.